Hi again everyone, this is Sharif. This is GNS3 connected to the internet part 2. In this part I'm going to show you how to synchronize your router clocks with an NTP server on the internet, and also I'm going to show you how to advertise your RIP route to the Windows routing table. So let's begin. The first thing is I'm going to show you how to synchronize your clocks. First thing we have to see here is show clock. As you can see, it's the default clock on the router. It comes Friday, March 1st, 2002. So to synchronize our clocks with real time, I'm going to go into the global configuration mode. I'm going to type NTP server, and I'm going to type the server IP address. Actually, I can't remember it, so here it goes. 66.27.60.10. Actually, I think this is Microsoft's server. It belongs to Microsoft. So we saw here that the clock was set to Friday, March 1st, 2002. After we issue this command, if I type show clock again, still isn't synchronized yet. As you can see here, it's set to Thursday, July 30th, 2009. So this can automatically synchronize, I don't know the intervals, but it automatically corrects the clock. So you can put it in a notepad, and every time you start a lab you can use this command. Just as soon as you get in the lab and the lab is connected to the internet, as we show in part 1, it automatically synchronizes the clock. It's very useful in policy-based routing and authentication between routers, like in EIGRP. It can be very useful. So the second thing is I'm going to show you how to advertise your RIP routes into the Windows routing table. So this is the command prompt in Windows, and I'm going to type route print. As you can see here, this command shows me my interfaces here. I have the loopback adapter here. I have my wireless adapter and other adapters that belongs to IP version 6, like Teredo. Also, it shows me here my IP version 4 route table. So this is what Windows sees when it starts looking for networks. I have a gateway here to the internet through my wireless interface. It has the metric, the gateway, and then net mask. It has everything. Also, you can see here that I already enabled RIP listener to see if there's a RIP advertisement sent by anyone connected to Windows. So you can see here it's listening to this channel on these three interfaces, which is the loopback and the wireless adapter. It has the three interfaces here listening to RIP. So now to show you how you can enable RIP listener in Windows, you'll go to the control panel, program and features, which is add or remove programs and Windows XP, and turn Windows features on and off. You'll find it here, RIP listener. Okay, but in Windows XP you'll find it under another menu, like a sub-menu like this one. I can't remember which one exactly, but you'll find it. It's easy to find, of course. All you have to do is just check this checkbox, press OK. Now go back to our router here. So So now Windows is listening to all its interfaces for RIP advertisements. So I have here on my router, I'm gonna type show IP interface brief. You can see here I have a loopback adapter on my router. Also I have fast Ethernet, which is connected to the cloud, which actually is the loopback interface in Windows. So I'm gonna go to the global configuration mode. I'm gonna type router RIP, and I'll start to advertise these two networks. First network is 192.168.137.2. It doesn't matter if you write the last octet, because anyway it's class C and RIP. This is RIP version 1, so technically it doesn't care. And the other network is 200 to 200 to 200.1. The same here. It doesn't care for the, if you typed it 0, if you typed it any number, it doesn't care. So again, as this is the Windows routing table before advertising the RIP routes. So if we issue the command here again, print. So as you can see here, it advertised the network 200 to 200 to 200.0 with this subnet mask, and the gateway was 192.168.137.2, which technically is the fast Ethernet on our router, and it has a metric here of 32. So if we try to ping it, ping 100 to 200 to 100.1, as you can see, it has successful pings, 4 successful pings. So I hope this was useful, and hope to see you again. Thank you.